In a time long forgotten by history, there stood a city of grand ambition and unrivaled vision. Within its heart arose a project that defied not only the limits of architecture, but also sought to touch the very heavens themselves, the Tower of Babel. The city, bustling with commerce and creativity, was built upon the foundations of unity, as all its inhabitants spoke a singular tongue. These people, driven by a collective dream, began to design a structure that would climb into the skies and stand as a testament to their unity and ingenuity. The Tower of Babel was no ordinary edifice. It was constructed from meticulously carved stones interlaced with the finest mortar, designed to withstand the test of time and the cruelty of elements. Each level was adorned with intricate mosaics, depicting tales of their ancestors and aspirations. Ornate columns rose with grace and strength. As the tower soared higher, its majesty could be seen from every corner of the city, casting a long shadow over the bustling streets below. Yet its true wonder lay within the brilliant minds and tireless hands that sought to elevate their civilization. Workers from near and far, all drawn to the monumental task, came together, each contributing their skills to this grand endeavor. Architects, masons, and laborers worked harmoniously, driven by the singular purpose of reaching the heavens. But as the tower reached the skies, an unseen force loomed over them, a curse that would unravel the very fabric of their endeavor. One crisp morning, sounds of confusion and chaos broke through the symphonic hum of construction. Voices, once harmonious, became a cacophony of dissonance. Alien words spilled from familiar mouths as a divine hand scattered their single language into countless dialects. An architect, once giving precise instructions with clarity, now spoke gibberish to the masons who once understood him perfectly. Anguish and frustration spread like wildfire as workers found themselves speaking, yet not understanding each other. The unity that had propelled their ambition withered under the weight of confusion. The aerial view of the unfinished tower revealed a masterpiece interrupted. Its spiraling structure remained incomplete, a haunting silhouette against the azure sky. In the aftermath, people could be seen dispersing, a tapestry of languages urging their departure to different lands, scattering the dream of Babel into far horizons. The tower stood as a reminder, a lesson in the consequences of overreaching ambition and the power of unity undone by division. The city, once a beacon of collective achievement, faded into the annals of history, its legacy echoing in the scattered tongues of humanity.